Transform your home. $20 DIY furniture projects. Imagine revamping your space with new furniture for the cost of a pizza. It's possible. You can create stylish, functional pieces right at home for just $20. Dive into the world of DIY, where creativity and affordability unite to redefine your living environment. Upcycling is the heart of budget-friendly creativity. With just $20, everyday items become extraordinary. From pallets to vintage crates, see the transformation from overlooked materials into beautiful furniture. It's about vision and innovation, giving both your space and unwanted items a fresh beginning. Consider a cozy coffee table fashioned from a single wooden pallet. A few simple modifications and a splash of paint turn the mundane into the magnificent. Or, picture a vintage ladder transformed into a chic bookshelf. These unique projects showcase what a little budget and big imagination can achieve. Begin with materials like old chairs or unused crates. Paint them in vibrant colors or sleek neutrals to match your aesthetic. Add personalized touches with stencils or decoupage for flair. For assembly, basic tools suffice, making these projects accessible to everyone, even if you're just starting. Each piece of DIY furniture contributes to a greener planet. Upcycling reduces waste while delivering custom designs tailored to your taste. It's an empowering movement, allowing budget-conscious individuals to enjoy style without compromising the earth. Sustainable decor is not just a trend, it's a commitment to better living. Embrace the challenge of transforming your home with just $20 and a dash of creativity. Subscribe now for more ingenious upcycling ideas and tutorials. Share your unique creations with us and join a community dedicated to stylish and sustainable living. It's time to craft a home that reflects your spirit. Thanks for watching.